Hi everyone. Welcome to the Online Technical Institute. So in these sessions, I will show you basic informations like file options, or we are utilizing all these options. So file options, edit, view, query, project, tools, windows, and help tool as well. Okay. So this is generally we know like in the Notepad related or Excel related or Windows related, we can use all these options as well. Similarly here itself only. So if we wanted to connect object if you wanted to connect any server, then we can connect by using this application, this option as well. Okay. Or else if you wanted to open the new programs, control shift n, you can create it. So let me show you. See here, it will show you all the like basic information related. So click on here it is going to connect one more new tab as well. Okay. So if you wanted to practice here, you can practice here itself. Again, you can click on new query. Okay. Again here, new query here. If you want to let me close this one. If you wanted to write any query, you can write it here as well. If you wanted to create the table or create database, you can create it here itself only. So create database, and I'm going to create the temporary database. Okay. Like this, if you wanted to create the database, you can create it. Okay. So let me explore all these options. So go to the new tab. So if you want to open the new project, you can click on here, or else if you want to so we can is here, as you can see here, like a databases related, data engine queries related, all these options. Okay, just open. So in case in previous programs or previous projects were there, so if you wanted to bring into in this SQL environmental, then we have to use this open tab. Either you, if you wanted to bring it to like a projects or folders or whatever it is, so you can click on here, you can connect that object as well. Okay. Next, add. So if you want to write the new project, or if you want to in this existing program, so if you want to write the one more tab, you can add here itself only. Okay. Now let's me go to the third one. So in case if you want to save this program, for example, here as you can see here, star market is the right. So here start nothing but a, this is not saved program. So if you want to save this program, then click on here. Either you can use this option, this option. This is a first time, in case if it is not saved. Okay, then we have to use this one. In case it is already saved, but still going, still writing the programs, even though if you wanted to save those remaining codes as well, then better to use save as options. Okay. So this program I didn't save, let me save the program. So here, file name is reflected. Where you wanted to save, you can select that folder name. Okay. So here I'm going to select the desktop. On this desktop, let me create a new folder. Okay. See here, I have created new query, new folder two. So in this folder, I'm going to save this file name. So let me give the file name, any file name you can give. So for example, this is a demonstration purpose I'm explaining, right? Let me give the demo name only. So I have given the demo name. Yeah, save. Okay, as you can see here, it is named demo.sql. Okay, now as you can see here, star mark removed because we have saved the program. In case if you want to start the program, then let me write create table. Okay, table name is demo, then id integer values. As you can see here, here I get star mark started because it is not saved. Okay, again, if you want to save this program, better to go to the file option, and here click on these options. As you can see, yes, start remove because we have saved the this program only. Okay, like this, if you want to save the all these programs, you can save it. In case this save as options means, in case if you want to save another, so this name, sorry, this codes saved with this name, right? Demo name. So if you same codes, if you want to save with another name as well, okay, then better to choose save as name. Okay, save all means here multiple programs are there. Here one tab or more. For example, if you want to open multiple tabs as well, like this. Okay, so if you wanted to write multiple programs, okay, in this single window, if you want to write the multiple windows, okay, multiple programs, then we have to click on new queries, so we can get the multiple windows as well. You can write in this query, in this query, in this tab query, so you can write it. So if you wanted to save all these programs at a time, so better to choose this option. Okay, and page setups and print. Okay, so what we used recently, we come to know here, here only. Okay, so all this, just we can, you can explore it so one by one all these options. Okay, so if you want to close this, you can close it by using the alt F4, or manually we can click on here as well. Okay, now coming to the edit view. So edit view look like all these uh, Word or Notepad related, Excel related, or like options are available. If you want to explore all these things, just go to the edit options. You can click on it here. You can experience all these options as well. Okay. Now coming to the view options. So in this view options also like a only view. So either this these tabs or this shortcut options here bottom all this. If you wanted to require or if you want to enable or disable all these views, just we can click on any tool here as well. So if you want to enable or disable, we can decide here only. Okay. Now coming to the queries. So you can explore queries and coming to the projects related, tools related, Windows help. So all these things, upcoming sessions, so we are like we will be exploring all these options as well. Okay. Now coming to the this is Object Explorer. Object Explorer in these sessions like a databases, security, server objects, replications, management, exhibit profiler also. Let me explore one by one. Yeah, see here, as you can see here, databases related. So here multiple, so many databases are available. But when we installed this SQL software, we can get these two databases default only, like a sister database, a database snapshots. Okay. For example, if you want to create your own database, okay, then you can create your own databases as well. How can you create your own databases? Just we have to write the syntax, create database. Okay. Then we have to create any database. Let me create the sample DB database. That's it. Okay, let me select and execute this command. Okay, shortcut option F5 function it is there, or if you want to manually execute it, then we have to click on this execute button. Okay, as you can see here, we have received some messages here. So commands completed successfully. Look, in case here we can get the results here only. In case errors are there, we come to know here only. Okay, information related also we come to know here only. Okay, so completely picture come to know here only. Okay, if it is just this is completed successfully, that information here we resume. Okay, in case any errors are there, so in this section only we come to know. In case like there is no any errors, so if you want to see the results, that one also we come to know here only. Okay, so this is like a log information, result information, like a general information we come to know here only. This is messages related. Okay, so I have created the database, right? So let me this database. So where we can check means here. Let me refresh this tab. So this is a refresh tab. Just click on refresh. Just 1 minute. Just expand the databases. Okay. So as you can see here, sample DB it is reflected. Just now I have created. So this database is reflected here only. Okay, like this, if you want to create your own databases, you can create it. Or else, if you wanted to use the default databases, here so many databases are there. So like I click on system databases, default, like which we are getting the default only. So these databases, if you want to utilize, you can utilize it as well. So master model, TempoDB, so all these databases. Okay, so apart from these, here database snapshots is the upcoming sessions we will be learning about this database snapshots. Okay, now coming to the batch. So this is I have created only, this is my own databases, all these databases, just like I have created sample db, right? So which is reflected here. Okay, so like this I have created all these databases earlier on. Let me explore security options. Here, logins options is there, server roles, credentials, audits, server audit, specifications are there. So let me explore all these options, security options. Like as you can see here, login options, login details. Okay. So here, this one. So this is just earlier I have logged in. So now currently I'm in this log server only. Okay, laptop. This is my server. If you want to check, let me here. As you can see here, it is also reflected here. You put the cursor here, completely that path reflecting here. Okay, object name. This is logins related information we come to know here. So this is very important database. This object. So like a developer perspective, this is a very important. Okay? Now coming to the server roles. Let me hide it. Okay, as you can see here, server details. So these are the servers we will be using in the future as well. Okay, so in case if you want from these servers, if you want to connect Oracle or BigQuery, Vertica, you can connect as well. So we come to know here. So what servers we are going to utilize. Okay, so completely servers related or Oracle or like a whatever it is, okay, in like a BigQuery, databases related, vertical related, so many types of data servers are there. So we come to here only. Okay, now coming to the credentials. So there is no credentials. In case if you use any credentials, we come to here and here only. Now let me hide it. So audits also nothing else are there. Just leave it. Okay, this is like a developer perspective, not important, but developer perspective, this is first the databases tab, very most important only. Okay, this is apart from that, like a remaining tabs are there. So this is like a admin people can utilize those things. Okay, now coming to the server objects. So backup devices, linked devices. Okay. So linked servers are there. So triggers. So this is like in the upcoming sessions we are going to learn. We will be learning all these like a triggers, views, databases related. So in that sessions we will be learning all these things. Okay. Next coming to the replication. Replications means local subscriptions is there. So this is not we are not familiar with these tools like a developer perspective. So maybe admin people can utilize these all these things. Okay, management. So policy management, extended events, SQL Server logs. Okay, so just let me explore it. Policy related. So in case we have a rules like what is that rules and regulations. Okay, so here it is available. Like in case if you want to know the policies, just click on here. So which will expand and we come to know all the policies related. Okay, next conditions. Just click on the conditions. So here so many conditions related to this. Just let me check whether it is, yeah, here so many conditions are there. You can check it the conditions as well. Okay, what conditions are available in these steps. Now coming to let me hide it. Let me explore the facets. So here so many facets are there. So let me explore the, let me click on here. So facets related information here it is available. Just click on double click on it. So which we can get the one more tab. So in this tab we can get the some information. Just read it and close it. Okay. So like this, you can, if you wanted to explore all these tabs, you can double click on it. You can explore all these options as well, facets related. Now coming to the extended events, so let me hide it. Okay, extended events. So stations and server logs. Okay, so let me click on the stations related. So always on health, system health, telemetry health. Double click on it. So here the packages are there. Okay, so if you want to double click on here, so here there is no nothing informations. Okay, just leave it. Let me click on here, system health. So here system packages related are there. So if you want to explore these things, double click on here. Here, as you can see here, we come to know about system health related packages. Okay, so name related, timestamp related, complete information come to know. Okay, so like this, if you want to explore buffer as well. So here, as you can see here, buffer related information. Just double click on it and you can explore it. That's it. You can't do anything. Okay, just explore only. Now coming to the telemetry events. So this one also, just click on here. You can, if you want to explore it, you can explore all these things. Okay. Now let me hide it. Extended events. Let me click on the SQL Server logs. So click on here, which will expand the all the options. Okay. Here you can see logs related informations. So completely whatever we triggered, those log information we come to know here only. Okay. If you wanted to explore all these logs related, just here, as you can see here, so 17th January 2026. So just now I have created the database, right? So that log was created. Okay. So if you wanted to explore, you can explore it as well. As you can see here, complete information, become. You can't do anything, just explore it and close it. That's it. Okay. If you want to explore all these things, just double click on it, you can explore it. Okay. Now coming to the exhibit profiler. So in this exhibit standard and the SQL, it is there. Click on T standard, S standard. So here nothing information is there. Just you can explore and close it. That's it. Now coming to the T-SQL. T-SQL related in case in the upcoming sessions, if we if we will be creating any T-SQL related, we come to know here as well. We are upcoming sessions, we will be learning all these things. Okay, cool. So you can remember one thing. So just ignore it all these tabs because we are not familiar with all these tabs. Okay, we are familiar with only first tab, that is database tab only, developer perspective. Okay, so in this developer perspective, let me connect the any database. Let me close this one. Yeah, as you can see here, initially I have created this database sample DB batch file. Sorry, let me show you sample DB here. You can click on here sample DB. So in which we can get the default all these options only: database diagrams, tables, views, external resources, synonyms, programmability, and query story, service broker, storage, security. All these options we are going to get default only once created the sample DB. Okay, no need to create all these things. So once we created any databases, default we are going to get. Okay, so database diagrams, tables, views. So upcoming sessions we are going to learn how to utilize all these tabs. So this is all these tabs only explore purpose only. So whatever created, we come to know in these sessions only. In case if we created databases or tables related, we come to know here. If we created, if you are working on the views, here come to another view sections in case of triggers related, like a database is related, some like common table expressions related, we come to know complete picture here in this session as well. Okay. Yeah, anything left? Let me check. Yeah, as you can see here, I have connected the sample DB, right? So let me, if you here currently I'm in the master databases only. Let me check. Let me expand it. System databases. As you can see here, currently I'm in this databases. So how should we come to know whether we are in a master database or model database? Means just click on here, code sections. Here you can see here, master database we have connected. So if you want to connect these databases, then we have to use command. Then this database name, that's it. Just select it, execute it. As you can see here, commands completed successfully. As you can see here, earlier master database it is there. Now it is sample DB only. Like this, if you want to connect any databases, then we have to use this database. So in upcoming sessions, we will be learning all these things. So how to utilize, what is the database, so what we can do in these databases. So we will be learning all these things. Okay, so in this databases, we can, like as you can see here, we can store the tables, we can store the views, we can store the resources, synonyms, programmability, query store, and service broker and storage security. All this we can store in these databases only, whatever created. Okay, or else default we can connect the master databases. That is which is system databases only. So apart from system databases, if you want to create your own databases, if you want to store whatever created, whatever working here, all these things which you want to store in your databases, then we have to connect your own databases only by using this syntax. Okay, so that's it. In case okay, anything is there, let me know in the comment sections. In upcoming sessions, I will clarify all your queries. Okay, thank you guys. Thanks for watching this video. Stay tuned for updates. We will see in the next video. Until then, bye bye. Take care.